It seems that this lioness wanted to hunt this wild buffalo, but the prey had another opinion and she chased the lioness and turned into an angry hunter. What a bad day for this lioness. It seems that this dog's barking at the tiger did not like it. So you are watching what happened to him. Is he worth? It seems that this leopard tried to hunt one of these pigs, but unfortunately it turned into food for them, so they preyed on it mercilessly. This scene teaches you that no matter how strong you are, do not mess with someone who is bigger than you. This lioness has received many painful blows.
Here is a unique conflict between a member of the wild buffalo and a huge rhinoceros. What is the cause of this conflict? None of them eats the other. Write your opinion in the comments.
Hippo versus lion.
The Kumid dragon is one of the fiercest and most violent animals on Earth. It has a strong dot and ruthless jaw, and always wrestles with each other. But what did this little one do to be devoured by this huge dragon? Give us your opinion in the comments. The Kumid dragon is one of the fiercest and most violent animals on Earth. It has a strong dot and ruthless jaw, and always wrestles with each other. But what did this little one do to be devoured by this huge dragon? Give us your opinion in the comments.
Oh, look at the blood on his leg.
Wait, 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 wait.